Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can see blocked list on the Messenger application, because sometimes we want to see our blocked list on the Messenger application. So in this video I will show you how you can easily see your blocked list. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Messenger application, and here you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it. Then scroll down the page and you will see the options of privacy and safety. Click on it. And here you can see the options of blocked account. Click on it. So you can see my block list on the Messenger application. So in this way you can see your block list on the Messenger application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.